lesson is about is the second part of what we had in lesson 3A. In lesson 3A, we just were able to do the topics for our lessons. In this lesson, that second part, we're going to be putting the full contents of our courseware onto our course sites. And I'm sure it's going to be a great session today. Okay, what will be the objective of this lesson? As you can notice, it is singular. So when we are through with this lesson, you will be able to lay out the full lesson contents for your course. Yeah, so it's going to be a relatively short lesson because we're just laying out the full lesson contents of your course. So how do we lay out the full lesson contents? That's what we're about to do. But by the way, what does it mean when we say the full lesson contents? What it means is, if you look at this from Dr. Ajiboye and Dr. Jawando, the one we're using the other time, we already laid out module 1, introduction to sociology, module 2, and all of that. So you can see that we have the content here. Let me switch to the Word version so you can see the full details. Yeah, so you see, this is the Microsoft Word version. Dr. Ajiboye and Dr. Jawando. So it has everything, learning objectives, and then the contents of the module. That's the module 1. So this is what I mean by the full contents. It means, therefore, that you have to get the full contents of your module all set, module by module, like this module 1, for, you can see the group activity. We said we're going to have 21st century skills, teamwork, and all of that. And that's what the Ajiboye Jawando group has done. Organize yourselves into groups. And then you have it continues like this, and summary and list of points. Excellent. And then self-assessment questions, and then references and further reading. So this is what we mean by the full lesson contents. And the object of this lesson 3B, if you like, that's part 2, is to see how you can put all of this one on your course page. So how then do we proceed? There are a series of steps. The first step, as we've done here, is for you to go to your site, go to the LASU ODLRI site, and then you sign in and locate your course, and then you click on your course to make it active. So let's do a short practical on this one. Yeah, so I'm back on the LASU ODLRI site. You can see it has logged me out. I'm sure that you will have been logged out by the time you now want to get on with it. And so you are to put in your password. Let me do mine now, and I log in. So step 1 is for us to come to this site, which we have done. We have come to this site now. Internet is, by the way, I'm in the University of Lorraine doing this. Yeah, so you then locate your course. You can go to courses, by the way. Just go to courses on this top level. Let me go to undergraduates. And then you go to social science. That's the one that Dr. Ajiboye's group has done. Let's see, you can't find on this page, you go to the next page. Yeah, so keep looking for a sociology. I think it's introduction to sociology 2. This one. So you click on this. So we have done step 1. We'll be able to locate our course, and we have identified and clicked on it. So let's go back to that step 1, and we'll see whether we have achieved it. Yeah, so step 1, we'll go to LASU ODLRI site. We have done that. I signed in and I located the course, and I clicked on the course to make it active. So that's done. What's step number 2? Step number 2 is for us to go to the administration block. On the left side of the home page, or the course page, landing page, sometimes I call it landing page, you get the administration block, and then within the administration block you go to courses. So let's see how we go about that. Yeah, so Introduction to Sociology 2. We have, you can still see this is in the weekly format. I'm sure you know how to get it back to the topic format. But to let you recall, oh, by the way, let me just go back to this. We have the navigation, then we have the administration, and then you have course administration. So this is where we will be working on. Going back to our guide, we said go to the administration block. Within administration, go to courses. So we're in the administration block, and then we are in the course administration. So that is that aspect of it. Now, step 3 is this is a very important step. Nothing is going to happen. Well, when I mean nothing is going to happen, if you have to edit your site or put something there or change something and all of that, you got to turn editing on. This is one of the most important steps that you need to learn while using Moodle on our ODLRI site. You got to turn editing on. So let's do that. We have a number of ways to do it. You can see here, turn editing on. I can actually click on this, or if you come here, you find turn editing on. So either will do. So let's turn editing on. That's happening right now. You can see it's turning it on and loading. Aha, so editing is on, and we have all those courses there. So course administration. We are to let's see. You know, this one is the weekly one, and I want to now change it to the topic format. And if you recall, like our lesson 3, we had to do that through edit settings. So let me edit settings. That's the settings of your course page. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Course stats. Well, doesn't matter there. So the one we're looking at is the course format. Course format. You can see it's weekly format. We don't want it as weekly format. We want it as topic format. You have to wait for it to load that format that you okay fine. So it's done it. So let's save it and return to the page. Yeah, you can see it's also loading. You can see now it's topic. As easy. I told you. Moodle is easy. If you don't know what to do, just mouse over something and it will tell you what. So let's take this one. I'm sure. Let me even check what what I've come to check is that this is actually Sociology 102. Excuse me. Yeah, so you can see Sociology 102, Introduction to Sociology 2. So we are well on track. Yeah, so let me just quickly do the editing here. So you go to edit topic. You know it is module 1 is loading here now. So let's do it like this. You know, I told you got to do take off the custom and say module 1. Well, let me just do copying and pasting, just like I suggested you. Yeah, so I'm copying this. You can do this, so you do Control C, and then back to this. Yeah, let's take this. Let's do it like this. Yeah. So module 1, Introduction to Sociology, and I did say that here you can put all of these ones, these units that are there. We'll be modifying this at some point, and they will look nicer. So I'm putting all of these ones here. I'm pasting them so you can see that. So let's save these changes. You can see it's saving. So you just wait for a second or two or more, depending on your So we got this there. So back to this lesson, because this one is about the previous lesson. Back to this lesson. What is the next thing to do to put all our contents, the full contents here? Let's see what our guide tells us. So that will be our step number 4. Step number 4, you can see it. Click add an activity stroke resource. And then when you click this one, the next one is to now select a page under resource. So let's go back there and do it. So you can see under module 1, add an activity or resource. So I'm clicking on it. Now it comes up with this interesting dialog box. These are the activities, assignment. We'll be doing all of this. It's going to be wonderful. And then you can find this one. These are resources, a book, a file, a folder, a label, IMS content package. So this now where would it go? Page, 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 page. So we click on page. Yeah, okay, we click on page, so selected page, and then say add. Good. So it's adding, see the thing here, it's adding that page for us. Okay, it's done. So this is the page that it has added, and this is where the exciting action begins. And what is that? Yeah, we've done, what is that? Yes, we've done this, we've done the page. So what we have to do now is copy and paste from the Microsoft Word version, the one we showed you the last time, and just add this to your course site. This is it. This is the heart of the matter for this part 2 of lesson 3. So let's watch a live demo. Fasten your belt. Here we go. Yeah, so this is the Word version, module 1. You know, we're dealing with module 1. So just take this one, Introduction to Sociology, stroke is Sociology Science. Copy, easy, back to here, the name, put them there. That's it. Description. For description, you can just put this one here. We'll be modifying, as I said, to liven it up later. So I've copied though. Now I'm coming here. I don't paste them here, So should it display the description on the course page? Yes, let it display it. Yeah, put it here. Yeah. Then the contents. Now here we do. That's all that is going to happen. See what is going to happen. The contents will be all of this. So you just go down to the references. References, where are you? Summary. Reference and further reading. Yeah, that's it. So you then copy again and switch back here, and then what you go do, you paste. That's it. It's as easy. But a few things that we need to do. You can improve this a little bit by some kind of nice formatting. This one you want to make it bold, maybe it's already bold. You may want to make the color, you just explore, please explore these buttons, but don't change anything fundamental in. We're going to be agreeing on the colors that we'll be using generically, but for the purpose of this training, you can just take it on. Maybe you like a blue, or maybe a red, but you got to be consistent. So that's it for introduction. So let's make this bigger. This one, you can see large. Because it has improved it. So you then come down, learning objectives. Maybe you also want to make that, let's say color now. Color is here. Red, you want to make it text size large. Yeah, so you just go on with it like that. Better sociology. You may wish to keep this one as medium and use a color, maybe like blue. If you can't find some colors here, this other one will give you some other colors, maybe blue like this. I think it looks nice. So all you need to do is just go ahead and format. Now if you have images, the images will be there. And if you have what else, just so that's it. Don't bother about all of these ones yet, and then just say save and return to course. Finish. No big grammar hassle there. So let's see what, or you can do save and display. You can see it's coming up. So you see now this one. Okay, that's the thing. So if you click on, let's see now. Yeah, so if you click, no, if your student comes here and he sees this on module 1, good. That's the thing. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. And Introduction to Sociology is the first unit. And if you click on here, what you go see? You then see your student to see this. We'll be able to read this. Of course, like I said, we're going to agree on the nice formatting, the illustrations, and all of that. The videos can also be put in here. That will be for another lesson. But for this lesson, this is just it. As simple as that. So let's get back to what we have for next. Yeah, so that's the end of the live demonstration. So what did we learn in this lesson? All we did was to learn how we can lay out our full lesson contents on the ODLRI platform. So to repeat, you just go and log in to ODLRI platform, go to your course, click on your course, and just add resource or activity, and then take on add page and just copy and paste. Very simple. So what next? What next is for you now to do your bit. And then when you have done populating the place with the full contents, just send an email, a confirmatory email. All you are saying is that, yes, I've done it. And the deadline is Friday, July 28th. And by the way, that's today. So by the end of the day, this should have been done. You can see this took me just about 10 minutes, to achieve. So the next lesson, which is lesson 4, we have to give quizzes to our students. We have to give them questions and exams and all of that. So that will be the focus of the next lesson. Before you take on the next lesson, there are 2 videos I want you to watch. One is on how to write good quality multiple choice test items, and the other on how you should write good quality essay type test items. You'll be needing these videos for lesson number 4. I'll be sharing with you the videos in another communication. So until now, my dear colleagues, my dear friends in great Lagos State University, under the leadership of Professor ODLRI as Vice Chancellor, I wish you a nice weekend. Bye.